Today's video is sponsored by My Future Unemployment. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a lens distortion node after. Change the mode to distort, open the distortion model, and select one of the fisheye models. Play around with the distortion sliders, until you end up with something that you kind of like. Go to the Settings tab, and uncheck one of the color channels. Add a merge node after. Bring a Luma Keyer node in empty space, connect the distortion to this and drag it to the left viewer. Adjust the high and low value to your liking. Add a blur node after the Luma Keyer, and connect it to the merge node as a foreground. Increase the blur slider to your liking. At this point you just need to play around with the blur and the Luma Keyer node to find out what works best for each clip. Not the mind-blowing effect that every YouTuber is making, but still better than nothing.